So I'm here at a bunch of warehouses. So here's the question. Does this need curb appeal? Not really. So let's talk about the longer term consequences of this. So a bunch of grass is going to get planted here. You're going to need to put a bunch of water on it and a bunch of chemicals on it to keep it looking halfway decent. So what if instead of putting a bunch of grass back here, it becomes naturalized? What if we put forest back here? What if we put blooming plants that attract hummingbirds and butterflies and nature, in essence? Maintenance would suddenly become nothing more than picking up pine cones or sticks or things like that. But you're not going to have to go out here on a weekly basis and start cutting grass and edging and doing all those kind of things. So all I'm saying is, what if we rethink the psychology of the way a landscape is supposed to be? What if we landscape not because we're told we have to put grass, but we landscape for beauty, for maintenance, for preservation, for nature? What if we change the psychology of our landscape? Just a question. Nothing wrong with what's going on here, but I gotta ask the questions that no one else is asking.